My name is Tomasz Hrapek. I live in Iceland since 2007. I live with my family, with my wife and two daughters, and I work as an operations engineer in a cloud security company. I've been also engaged with all kinds of projects like Projekt Polska, which is the Polish association for promotion of culture in Iceland, and then I've been a chairman of Intercultural Council of Reykjavik. Therefore, the idea of interculturalism is so dear to me, and I would like to see it implemented here. Therefore, my question is, what can Icelandic people do better to adjust to modern intercultural society of Iceland?
Í mínum huga þá það farsælast ef við getum öll tilengað okkur hið fallega stef í baráttusöngi Flokks fólksins, einn fyrir alla og allir fyrir einn. Því ef við erum hvert fyrir annað og komum fram við hvert annað eins og við viljum að sé komið fram við okkur sjálf, þá mun okkur öllum líða vel í okkar fallega landi.
This is a matter that is dear to me also, because my family is multicultural. My wife is an immigrant and my daughters are biracial. So I think this is something that's dear to me. This is not something that will happen overnight, that we change the minds of the Icelandic people. But through education and information and meeting the bigots and meeting the people that have a closed mind and challenging them and making constantly be willing to take up the fight, I think that's how we change things. We need to bring more people in, more immigrants into the media and make them more visible.
I think that almost everything starts in the school system and in the educational system. So I think that we should be better on all school levels on learning about multiculturalism and looking inside of what we can do better, how we can be more open to different ideas and different ways of doing this, because Icelandic society has gained so much from learning from people that have moved to us about how things can be done differently. So I think that this is one of the things that our school system should support and help with, so that families can also do better in educating the children, and I think that it has to come from there.
We have to do this in from many ways, and one of them is that immigrants get to vote much sooner and get to participate in the community and how the community is built up. I mean, we have a lot of foreigners working here and they have nothing to say about the community, which is crazy kind of. And that will always hold them kind of out of the community in a way. And that will also postpone the Icelandic nation in general to adjust to being a group of people from all kinds of nationalities. So and also we have to attack this through the school system. We have to attack this through the law, by making better laws around everything about the labor market and everything. And we have to look at, for example, the foreign office, the Útlendingastofnun. Some people want to just shut it down and make a new one with a better culture, and maybe that's what we have to do. So we have to attack this from a lot of ways, because this is very important.